how to create a human or human block in your game, that is Infinity Craft. So let's just do this thing in our phone, or I will tell you the original step and the genuine guide by which you can do this thing on your PC on or the platform where you're playing the game. For this, I have written some important steps for you. In order to create or craft a human block in Infinite Craft, you will need to combine a life block with a dust block. In order to get to those blocks, you will need to use a combination of earth and wind block products. First, combine an earth block and a wind block in order to create a dust. After that, drag another wind block to your dust block in order to make sandstorm, and then set your sandstorm block aside. Then drag another dust onto crafting area and combine it with an earth block to make a planet block. Drag your sandstorm block to the planet you have created in order to craft a Mars block. Drag an earth block onto the Mars block to create a life block, and then simply drag a dust block onto the life block in order to create a human block or a human in your Infinity Craft. This is the video. You can also watch this video in a slow speed so you can understand all the steps clearly, or also you can take the screenshots of the given and shown instructions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos and updates like this.